If you are tired of getting your crystal stay on and you're so like frustrated with, you have so many different ideas for crystals placement, but you really like so tired of getting them, it's coming off and they're not staying on, you should check this guys out. It's so thick density, it will hold really tight your flat back and your 3D. So if your first time using our condensed glue gel, it will be a little bit thick density, so don't like afraid of to blend it out, and just blend it natural like a lightly, so then they will stay nice and thin for you. I'm going to using our no wipe top coat floating on the top of my condensed glue gels. I just apply but without curing it. So we are going to floating it. Just make sure you just floating it on, okay? Because if you drag it or you give it a little bit thin layer, they might be contaminating, or your brush might get too much into condensed glue gel and it makes the surface sticky when after you cure it. So I would like to do a simple one. Sorry, I get all the sugar in here. I put one there. It's really cute when I see that mixed bags. If you're not sure what design or what crystal you should get, and you're gonna have like a hard time to pick like what design, what color are you going to get to design that color of the year, you should check out one of color of the year. It's classic blue. Then you will see the different. Let me see if I have I can show you that the classic blue. I will try to get that classic blue to show it to you. The mixed bag classic blue. I'll move it closer. It's okay for you to move it. It's not gonna hurt anything at all. Sorry, I've been like sprinkle all my sugar in here. But one later, after I finish, I can just dust it off. The sugar is gonna come off. I got this is from basically from a classic blue, and then one of the tribal arts that I really like. Then I would like to put it right here, but you don't have to if you don't want it. You can just leave it alone and you don't have to. You can just put the other on. Really cute. This one have a lot of sugar in it. Sorry guys. Like, I plan is beautiful and I lay it right here in a minute with it. It's okay. I just dust that off. Hope you can see it because I'm holding in different angle right now to try to get the good angle for all of you can see it. Hold on. Must be this one. I might get a smaller one. Here you go. Yeah, this one's smaller. And then this too. I really like this idea and it's really cool though. I'm just have this idea just now, just thinking of all of you, and I said we're gonna do this extra, so then you have an idea of your crystals. So so a lot of beginners or a lot of nail tech will ask us how you can able to place them really nicely and then looks good design. So when you get any of the mixed bags and you have an idea of you playing your crystal together, the best way to do is to place them tight and close together. Oh, so this one, you see that I have a little like a silver. You can either do silver or you can do gold, however you would like it. You can, or you can do it, like combine of both gold and silver, it will look great as well. It's really depend on how you like it, and you know, if you are in the mood of gold or you in the mood of silver on that day when you do this design. So I think, to me, I think they are both turn out really nice. Doesn't matter what color you use, silver or gold is looks great as well. Looks cute. So I'm gonna place some gold beads tight and put it right next to I love the little beads because the beads make it looks like a jewelry, make it completely change. And you can do, it's really cool though, because this mixed bag have the both silver and gold. So I'm really pleased with this, because then I don't, you know, if you're first time trying our products and you want to get one item of it, like a really fun crystal to play with, should check out every single like mix bag and see what you feel and you're like in the mood of what design you're doing. There's so many different cool theme there, and we have a lot of mixed bag that means really a really good best selling. Then we still keep it, like for instance, color of the year, living coral back in 2019, people still loving it, so we keep it up because such a really good, like even if you're doing a theme for a year, or you can just keep it just like doing really freestyle design. It's turned out beautiful. So let me see if you're happy with this. You're gonna pop in the lamp, just key it for about 60 seconds, just place them in the LED lamp. Let me pull it out first, and then I will look so beautiful. Let me adjusting for just a second because I don't get to see it close like you have to see it on the screen. So I'm gonna adjust just quick. So I like about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, because if you need to adjusting anything with your crystal, you go ahead and do it, and you don't have to worry about if set already. If you're using another method, then it might set really fast and you don't even have time to adjust anything. So great. I think I missed one beads right there. I just seeing it now because I keep it flat. Can't see the nails on flat, but great. All right, great. In the lamp for 60 seconds. So when you cure the clients, you make sure you have them just turn their finger back and forth, so then that way they can cure completely on the side, on the edges of the crystal or the charms, so that way it's gonna stay nice and last for at least good 3 to 4 weeks. Thank you so much. That's your digits. Thank you, thank you. Me too. Genesis is my favorite too. Thanks so much, Spamolix. Thank you, sweetie, for tuning in. I know, they was like really good combined together. What's Libras? You said, let me see this new set of nails. This is my new set of nails. If you just tune in today, I got it done last Saturday. No, last Saturday or last Friday. I would love one day I would do the nails for you here in the live, because if I have my nails up, I have to have it on. I'm so OCD, so I can't leave it alone. So this is really cool. Usually you see me do a lot of crystal on the nails. This time I toned it down, not because I really want to tone it down, just because I have a new chrome, sneak peeks with the new chromes. It's really awesome. It's a lot going on already, so I don't want to take away from a news chrome, so it's beautiful like that. So then I just want to have a metal piece to just like add it on. This one. This is really cute. I am going to using next. I am going to using here. If you we have a lot of questions from a lot of nail tech asking how can we keep this, or what should they keep their nails, their crystal from catching on the hair and the clothes or anything else that the client is doing a normal activity at home. This guy, Precision Glue, I'm so pleased with this because every time I pull this one out, the client's so happy because they said, oh my God, that's awesome, because it'll keep them from catching on their hair and anything they're doing. Like sometimes you put the new sweater or the new scarf on, they won't have that issue to pull and then catching on things anymore. So they're so happy with that. So I am going to do it, just really like do a little exam around the crystal. You don't see me squeeze anything yet. So if you need to just squeeze just a little bit, but you don't need a whole lot. You don't need to squeeze so hard because they're gonna come out a lot for you. So you just need a little bit. You feel scratchy, then you squeeze it out, and it's fill in any gap and any edges that you feel scratchy, or you feel it like you feel that it's not smooth, which is that spot will catching for you know, on the client's hair or their clothes. They can feel it too with you when you start feeling this Precision Glue on the nail. So they're so happy and pleased with that. So oh my God, that's be awesome. It's not gonna catching on my hair anymore. So this, guys, if you like really need to get one item to like keep your crystal staying on, this guy, or you can check out Trifecta that I've been sharing a lot with a lot of nail tech who is so into crystal placement. So I'm really happy, and I think I sealed everything. So I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds. And that nails will be completely done. I'm talking about this. It's right on my sides, have the condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and Precision Glue. You know, beside that, you're also receiving one of the crystal jars. It has mega mix all the different sizes and different colors for crystal for you to playing with. So I think it's a great, really great thing, and you save the money on all of this. It's never happened, but we're doing it because of you, for you. So Trifecta, if you want to check it out. Hey Chi Chang, how are you? Tomika, how are you? Hey Miss Corina, how are you? Hi Lily. How are you, sweetie? It can be used on sugar and hope that help. Any 5 glitter. Yeah, it's a sugar glitter, it's 5 glitter. Yes, Dazzle Dishes. Thank you so much, Sinama. Yes, any of sugar, any like really fine glitter can really using with your sugar glitter.